Got it here, 3-plane laser leveler. This one's supposed to be one of the most brightest on the market right now. So let's open it. Nice, beautiful case. Wow, that is nice and neat. Everything here. There's informational, instructional. Okay, beautiful. Attachments, battery charger. There's 2 batteries right here. There's a tripod attachment, charger wire, and another charger right here. Okay, comes with the safety glasses and the tool. Beautiful. Let's put it to the test to see what's all about. There's 1 laser, 2, and 3. There's a tripod stand, and the battery goes into here. So there's a self-leveling lock and lock over here. It beeps whenever it cannot be leveled. And let's show you guys. If I turn it, it will beep. Easy to see how it's self-leveling works. If we shake it, it's balancing. And now it's balancing too much. So it's like floating almost. That's kind of cool. Okay. So it has 5-year warranty of high accuracy. Another amazing thing about this level, up close, it is very thin laser. Up here up close, we can see how thin that is. And from far away, it is still very thin. Wow. Feel like it thinned out a little bit, didn't it? It's even better, don't you think?
Yeah.
Is it good that it thinned out, or would you rather have a really thick laser?
No, you want thin, so then you can actually see where you're at.
Wow. And it is incredibly bright. So we're gonna grab another under model and put it to the test, compare the brightness. It's so bright, it's beautiful. Wow. And it goes all the way across the room. Wow. And nice. Let's point it this way. Wow. That's awesome. And it's far away, it is very bright too. Up close bright, and it's really thins out over there. So right now I've set up 3 levels. What would you use 3 levels for?
So what you would use 3 is not only left and right, but also like if you're doing tile and you want to make sure that for example your sink is level, and then your back wall is level, and then for example if you have a mirror that you're trying to hang on as well.
Okay, so let's say if we're doing like some kind of trim, something like that too?
Yep.
Okay, that's awesome.
That's also a good point. Yeah.
Wow, that looks so good right here. 360 all the way around. I'm standing in front of it a little bit. And also 360 all the way around this way. Sometimes some things interfere.
It's impossible to have 100% because the corners, they're holding this. This is like anti-bump. So if you drop it or something falls, it protects the laser. So this has to be metal in the corners. And that's why if you look like in that corner, it's not a defect. That's just where the laser.
The nature of the lasers, they all
that's where the protection.
But it's still 360. I see what you're talking about.
See, like, for example, we're seeing that.
Okay,
that corner right there.
That little things, but it doesn't matter. It's not in a way at all.
It's still super accurate.
Right now we're going to compare 2 different lasers, and it's pretty obvious difference. This one is much brighter than the other one. In the dark room we can see it even more, and there you go. Beautiful, very thin. I like it.
So this is like a reference point. It's almost like a target. So once you set it up, like for example, something repeatable, like the edge of my scaffolding, right? So then when I bring it out, and you know, assuming that you always put the scaffolding in exactly the same place every single time, you can move along the wall and still have a reference point. So then whenever, for example, I shoot this laser, then I can shoot my other laser off of it. So I can always be squared.
Oh, that's a cool idea.
So it's just something that you you could use. There's so many different applications.
That's nice. And it comes with a stand and
Yeah.
a magnet.
And another thing is like if it's very long distance that you have a hard time seeing this laser, it's still gonna pick up on this way better.
See. Oh yeah, on the curtains it's hard to see. And oh wow.
You can see it at distance.
Okay, so this is like shows the laser more on the curtains and with the window. Okay, I see that. It's beautiful. That's nice.
So the stand has magnets.
Ooh, neodymium magnets too.
Yep. So probably very strong. Oh yeah.
Oh wow. So this is okay, and
Oh, man.
this is
Strong.
strong. So you can go on the side anywhere.
Yep.
I see like this or like this.
Mm-hmm.
So what do you think about this little stand?
Oh, this is awesome. So let's test it. What's really nice about this stand, you can do micro adjustments.
Oh wow, that is cool.
Up or down.
Yours doesn't have that?
I don't have that, yeah. And
Wow.
then with this, you can also turn it.
Ooh.
So,
And it sits on the magnets, that's it?
yeah, that's it.
Wow, that's a stone magnet.
You can also put this on a gigantic tripod
Mm-hmm.
in the middle of the room.
Okay, so that would help too.
Yeah. And if you're doing commercial construction, this is for metal studs. So,
Beautiful.
so like metal clips, and then you can tighten it down. Or even, you know, on a scaffolding, thin, like
Oh
thin
yeah,
metal
thin
like that.
metal. That is so cool.
So this thing, this whole stand is multi-purpose. You can do a lot.
I like it. Holster Magmaster clip-on magnetic tool holder. Wow, beautiful. Okay. So very easy to unbox it. Let's try it out. Ooh, that is nice. So for example, a tool like this, but it is lightweight tool. It is nice. It goes onto the belt with this little thick clip teeth over here, holster in the back. But that magnet gotta be a neodymium magnet. So obviously it works really well with this little metal tool. What about a hammer? Will it hold the hammer? Let's find out. Or maybe a drill. Let's see how it works. Okay, then there's the pliers. Wow, it is a pull, but no big deal because this clip sits in there so nice and tight. Hammer sits in there so nice. It goes up and down, but I don't see it's ever coming out. That is amazing. Wow. And it's just a simple belt. It's not even a work belt. Love it. Makita orbital sender. This is nice. There's a battery. There's a 0, 1, 2, 3 different speeds. This side here, Velcro. Very nice. Okay, there's a bag. Catches the sending. Beautiful. With the battery a little bit more comfortable. There is speeds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got a new sender. Let's see how it does. This is a really rough fence, and it's sanding it off really nicely. Wow. Okay, let's do shovel for fun. Oh, nice. Okay. All I have to do is stain it again and a new handle. Makita cutout tool. Very nice and comfortable. Probably grip it this way. So let's see. This side here adjustable for depth. Lower and higher. There you go. And also when it comes out, this becomes a wrench to replace the bit. That's nice. And slides back in. We'll put it to the test with drywall. Also it has a Bluetooth, so we can attach it to a vacuum. And when we hold in the wrench, push this and it will keeps it from spinning, so easy to take it out. Ooh, nice. So there's a little push and down. Very nice. Wow, that's fast. Makita brushless 36 volt 18 and 18 reciprocating saw. So this side here comes out 1 and 2. So speed 1, speed 2. So faster, safety. Lock. And there's a rafter hook which goes over the wood 2x4, 2x6. Okay, this lock always open, stays open. It can go either this way and it locks in, or open it again, flip it over. It can go both ways for different needs. Let's see, locks in, beautiful. And flip it over once again, lock it this way because we'll test it this way. The batteries goes into here. Nice. Okay. Nice. Drywall screw tool. This is quite nice. Okay, the battery goes into here. There's a screw, unscrew, and then there's a lock, and so we don't have to hold it, and if it's pushed it will work. Beautiful. And then press it to release it. There's a front clip, back clip. What else is in here? The battery life, push up, flashlight on and off. That's cool. Okay, we put a stick on the bottom. Wow, that is fast. And it went deep. So now I'm gonna adjust the depth. Let's see. Wow. So which way depth? This way. Let's see what happens. One more. Very powerful, and the depth difference beautiful. Klein Tools drywall saw. So there's a back lock, push. It has one folding, very comfortable, and then a push all the way. So this is like a folding drywall saw. Let's put it to the test, see how it works. Push this first lock and the second one. Actually, it doesn't even hold it. Unlock it. Lock. Beautiful. First angle, let's see how it works. Very easy and fast. Wow. For example, we draw out a little square, we need to cut it out for a plug. Let's try this out. There's a little sharp edge, goes through the drywall, really nice and strong. Wow, very powerful. Beautiful. Loose drywall too. It's usually attached to something, would be even easier. Boom. Now we're using it flat and it works really well. Wow.